Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just really a focus here on the short-term price action. Not too much has happened, but I told you in the previous video that this descending trend line could act as resistance as we move higher. And you can see this is actually what happened. We did move against this trend line. Earlier today we were, I think, around 20,500. We did go all the way up to around about 20,700 today. And yeah, we bounced off the trend line for now. So at the moment this really doesn't tell us anything new. At the moment we are still stuck in this corrective wave pattern. My understanding and my view is still that this is a wave 4 and there should be at least one more leg up in a wave 5 of C of 2. Even though on the higher time frame different price interpretations are possible. Yeah, in the previous video I showed you all three of them that I find very likely. A very bullish interpretation, which should send us to 29k. A bearish interpretation, which is still the primary one, which assumes still that there is short-term upside potential, maybe into the region around 21.7 to 22k, and then we would fail and come down, make a new low. And there's even an interpretation where we are in a massive triangle that would then break out and we will make short-term still higher prices. So at the moment all of this still points to short-term price action to the upside, short-term, but then around 21.7 to 22k. I've actually got in the middle of a thunderstorm here. I've got my window open, so you might actually hear a bit of rain noise, so I'm sorry about that. But important is to understand that we are still stuck here in the corrective wave pattern, right? There is short-term upside potential in all of these scenarios, and then the pivot point, the decision point, will be around 21.7k. And even here in the short term, yeah, my understanding is we are in a fourth wave. This is sort of primary expectation. Fourth wave, we've entered the reversal area. We've attempted a reversal that has failed so far. And as long as we are below this descending trend line, I think the correction is to continue. And especially then, even if we break above the trend line, we need to follow through, need to break above 20,850 and then 21,090. And if we get above that level, I think then we can rally to 21.7k. So it's also important to understand that a wave 4 can be a triangle. So what is happening here could really be an Elliott Wave triangle. Yeah, so in this wave 4, maybe down the wave A, we're now in the wave B up. There will be a C down, a D up, and an E down. So these triangles, they do happen. The whole thing can't be a triangle because this wave was above this wave. But to show you if this is really a wave 4, this could carry on for a bit sideways. So wave A down, right? Wave B up, C, D, E, and then break out to the upside. So things are possible like that. But here, short term, we are constrained by this descending trend line. Confirmation that we are heading further down in wave C of 4 would be obtained as soon as we get below 20,250. And really we can only get out of this as soon as you break above the wave B high, break the trend line, break above the wave B, break above the wave 3 high, and then the road to 21.7k is open. With Bitcoin we have to take it level by level. Level by level, absolutely, that is very important because due to the uncertainty in the market, yeah, Bitcoin's wave structure is leaving a lot of options open. Yeah, we need to have an open mind with Bitcoin. This is different with other coins, yeah, and therefore I always say, of course it's important to know what does Bitcoin do, but it's also important to have an open mind towards other coins which have much more, let's say, reliable wave patterns. One more thing I see here is that this could become a head and shoulders pattern. So we just need to be careful with that, need to have that on the radar. And then just sort of observe that as well, right? Because that could send us down straight away, really. Okay, and that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.